Welcome to Top Rated Crew, the YouTube channel that helps you make the best online shopping. Today, we'll be looking at the 3 best Harry Potter Funko Pops on Amazon. Stay until the end of the video if you want to see which product we recommend is the best. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our latest videos. The third position goes to the Funko Bitty Pop, Harry Potter, Hermione Granger 4-pack. You can find the links for each product in the video description. The Funko Bitty Pop Harry Potter, Hermione Granger 4-pack is a delightful addition to any Harry Potter collection. This set includes miniature vinyl figures of Hermione Granger, Rubeus Hagrid, Ron Weasley, and a mystery character, each standing approximately 0.9 inches tall. The figures are crafted from durable vinyl, ensuring longevity and protection against damage. Their compact size makes them perfect for display on desks, shelves, or as part of a larger collection. The inclusion of a mystery figure adds an element of surprise, enhancing the unboxing experience. These Bitty Pop figures capture the essence of the beloved characters, making them suitable for both avid collectors and fans of the wizarding world. Their small stature does not compromise the intricate detailing, reflecting Funko's commitment to quality. This 4-pack serves as an excellent gift for Harry Potter enthusiasts, offering a charming representation of iconic characters in a unique, collectible format. Number 2 is the Funko Harry Potter with Hedwig Limited Edition Pop Vinyl Figure. The Funko Pop Harry Potter with Hedwig Limited Edition vinyl figure is a must-have for collectors and fans alike. Standing at approximately 3.75 inches tall, this stylized figure features Harry Potter holding his loyal owl, Hedwig. The figure comes in a window display box, making it ideal for display. As a limited edition item, it adds unique value to any Harry Potter merchandise collection. And to finish, the first position goes to the Funko 5860 Pop Movies, Harry Potter Hermione Granger action figure. The Funko Pop Movies, Harry Potter Hermione Granger action figure is a charming collectible for fans. Standing approximately 3.75 inches tall, it showcases Hermione in her Hogwarts uniform, complete with a wand. The figure's stylized design captures Hermione's intelligent and determined character, making it a delightful addition to any Harry Potter collection. We hope you enjoyed our top 3 Harry Potter Funko Pops that you can buy online through Amazon and at the best prices. Remember that you'll find the links to buy these products in the video description. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our updates. See you in the next video.